Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I am your tutor, Adinu. In this video, I'll be solving questions 91 to 95 from the Aqua Basic Science 2016 questions. After this video, you will have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answer when solving questions in basic science. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know this video will be a worthwhile session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can go the extra mile of leaving a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. Question 91. One of the following products of digestion cannot be stored but is converted to urea. A. Amino acid. B. Fatty acid. C. Glycerol. D. Glucose. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, in looking at all of the options, you see which one of these options is related to urea. Now, amino acid is actually the end product of protein. So it's the end product of protein, and it can't be stored in the body, but it is converted to urea by the liver. So this is our correct answer, amino acid, because it can't be stored in the body and it is converted to urea by the liver. So our correct answer for question 91 would be option A, amino acid. Let's check it out. Question 91, option A, amino acid. Let's look at the next question. Question 92, activity series of non-metals is from A, less reactive to moderately reactive, B, moderately reactive to passive, C, most reactive to moderately reactive, D, least reactive to most reactive. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. But before we do that, we need to have an understanding of what the activity series of non-metals looks like. Alright, let's check out what the activity series of non-metals looks like. So this is the activity series of non-metals. All of these are non-metals: fluorine, chlorine, oxygen, bromine, iodine, sulfur, and red phosphorus. So you can see it is from most reactive to least reactive. But in our option, there was nothing like most reactive to least reactive. It was most reactive to moderately reactive. So definitely, that's going to be our answer, because it is arranged from most reactive, which is fluorine, to the next fluorine, oxygen, down to the least reactive. Let's check out our correct answer. Question 92, option C, most reactive to moderately reactive. So this is basically the closest to our explanation. Question 92, option C, most reactive to moderately reactive. All right, let's look at the next question. Question 93, limestone is used to make the following except A, concrete, B, glass, C, water pipe, D, quicklime. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to understand the question, then analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, when you're talking about limestone, limestone has various uses. One, limestone is used in making quicklime. When it's subjected to heat, it makes quicklime, and with the release of carbon dioxide. Limestone is also used industrially in the production of cement, which is used in making concrete. So here is a picture that explains a bit of the use of limestone. You can see it's used in making quicklime with the release of carbon dioxide. So if our question is saying limestone is used to make the following, except we know limestone is not used to make concrete. It is the product of limestone, which is cement, that is used to make concrete. Limestone is also not used in making glass. Limestone is also not used in making water pipe, but limestone is used in making quicklime. So basically, it means our question was not properly phrased. It should have been limestone is used in making one of the following, not making the following, except it should have been limestone is used in making one of the following, and that would be quicklime. That would be our answer. But since this question was not properly phrased, we would not be selecting any answer. But we've come to the understanding of what limestone is used for. That limestone is used in making quicklime. It is also used in building, and it is also used in the production of cement. All right? Okay? Let's look at the next question. These are soil organisms, except A, earthworm, B, aphids, C, fungi, D, termites. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, if you look at all of the options, they have to do with soil, except for one. And one of the options here has to do with plants. It stays and feeds on plants, not on soil. And that answer is aphids. Aphids lives on plants and feeds on plants. It has little relationship with soil. Earthworm, we know earthworm is gotten from the earth, which is the soil. Fungi also stays on soil. Termite also stays in soil, but the aphids has nothing to do with the soil. All right, let's check out the correct answer. Question 92, option B, aphids, is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 95. Cash crops are cultivated mainly for A, food, B, employment, C, medicine, D, sale. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to have an understanding of what basically cash crops are cultivated for. We'll analyze our options and see which one best answers the question. Now, when we're talking about cash crop, just the way the name implies, cash, money crop. So when you're talking about cash crop, it is no other than sale. So the main reason why cash crops are cultivated is for sale. We have other crops like food crops that is cultivated for food. But when it has to do with cash crop, it is basically cultivated to make sales, just the way the name implies. So question 95, our correct answer will be option D, sale. Let's check it out. Question 95, option D, sale is our correct answer. All right. This is how far we can go in this video. I hope you had fun. I'm using this time out to ask us to join our WhatsApp group using this link below, so we can get updates on more videos to come, and we can ask questions and comment on the previous videos we've seen. It's usually fun having you guys around, so I come your way again. Bye.